Bolton Technical, and I'm here today to talk about our heavy-duty roof sled mount. Now, if you have a lot of antennas to mount on the flat roof of an office or a building somewhere, this is what you're going to want to use. Our heavy-duty roof sled mount is constructed out of steel, has a 50-inch mast and a 36-inch extension pole. It also has a 9-degree forward tilt and a 1-degree reverse tilt. And it's super easy to construct. One person can do it by themselves. I'm about to show you. So there you go, guys. Our heavy-duty roof sled mount will support any antenna that you want that's out there on the market. It is heavy-duty and high quality. So just remember, the cinder blocks come separately, but I'm sure you have those out on your job site. Wear some gloves when you put it together because this thing does have sharp edges, and you can find it at boltontechnical.com.